Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on Orchid token. This token has formed a very big bullish reversal setup. That is in fact a very big bullish reversal harmonic chart pattern that I shared on 5th of July at the Patreon. And I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis here. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, I'll share the complete buying and sell targets for this pattern with you as well. But before this, let me to show you this live daily time frame chart. And here I have placed the exponential moving averages with the time period of 10 and 21. This blue one is 10 and this red one is 21. And we can see that when the price action was moving above these both moving averages, like here and here as well, we had a very powerful rally towards the upside, even up to dollar here. And here the price action found a very strong resistance. Even though we had the rally up to even beyond dollar, we can see that it rallied up to $1.04. However, here we have more touches at 90 cents. Therefore, this is a very strong resistance at 90 cents for the price action. This will be the final resistance for the Orchid token. And after finding the resistance here, after getting rejected, the price action moved down here. And now, after a long time period, you can see here we received a bear cross between the exponential moving average 10 and 21. The EMA 10 crossed down the EMA 21, because whenever the smaller time frame moving average crosses up the bigger time frame moving average, that produces the rally towards the upside. And whenever the smaller time period moving average crosses down the bigger time period moving average, in this case we have EMA 10 is a smaller one and EMA 21 is a bigger one, then that produces the rally towards the downside. Therefore, we had a very powerful rally towards the downside, and here the price action found a support. And this support is at 21 cents. You can see that this is a very strong and key level support for the price action. I'm just going to place this trend line here, and you can see that here it has worked as a very good support. The price action bounced and again moved at this support. And if we previously see, then we can see that this 21 is a very strong, even the strongest one support for the price line of Orchid token. And we can see that the Orchid is not able to break down this 21 cent support so far. Therefore, this can be a very good buy the dip opportunity to buy it at this support at 21 cents. Even though the price action is at moving at 27 cents, however, it can be a very good opportunity to buy it close to this support that is 21 cents. And at the same time, the price action has also formed a down channel as well. This is the same daily time frame chart, and here I have placed the trend lines to identify the channel. And here we can see that after getting rejected from this support, the price action reached at the resistance here, and so far the price action is not moved down to the support after this rejection by the support. And I'm expecting that now the price line will not hit the support. Why? Let me to place two very important indicators. When you find any pattern, these indicators can help you understand where the price action can move towards the downside or towards the upside. For example, I'm just going to place the volume profile, very important indicator, on the complete price action moving within this pattern. And you can see that it has given us the result that the price action, we have the trader's interest. It is showing us the trader's interest based on the volume. So to the downside, we have no interest of the traders so far below this level, as we have previously seen that the price action has found a very strong support at 21 cents, and the price line of Orchid had never broken down this support. Therefore, it is showing us a very clear result that we don't have any traders interest below this level of 21 cents. And to the upside, we have a very big interest up to, above this level. And if I place this trend line here at this level, then we have the traders interest up to even above the resistance of this down channel that is showing us or giving us the signal that the price action can move up to this level. And definitely if it will be moved up to this level, because we have a trader's interest at this level as well. So in order to move up to this level, the price action can easily break out the resistance of this down channel. Now, if we place the moon phases indicator as well, that works very well on the daily time frame, because after 29.9 days, the new full moon or dark moon appears. And let me to show you this indicator as well. And I've placed the moon phases. This is the full moon and this is the dark moon. The full moon shows up to what extent the price action can move to the upside, and the dark moon shows up to what extent the price action can move to the downside. And we can see that the new dark moon, the previous dark moon was here, and now the new dark moon has been appeared within this channel. That is showing that now it will be really difficult for the price action to break down the support of this down channel. And you can see that the previous full moon was inside the channel, but now the new full moon after 29.9 days cycle has appeared above the resistance of this down channel. That is showing that the price action can move up to this full moon's level. Therefore, based on these studies, we can expect that now the price line will not move below than this level of dark moon, and it can move up to this level of full moon, and it can also break out this resistance of the down channel as well. And this is the point of control of the volume profile, and you can see that the price action is still following this point of control, that is this red line. Now let's move to the targets of the pattern that I shared. And this was the chart that I shared on 5th of July at the Patreon. I'm just going to show you the chart. And this is the chart that was basically the weekly time frame. And this is the bullish harmonic shark pattern. And you can see that the price action at that time just completed the final leg of the bullish shark. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price action rallied towards the upside, but again it is dropped down in this potential reversal zone or buying zone. Even though as per the Fibonacci sequence I've defined this buying zone, but it is too wide. Therefore, I'm expecting that this buying zone starts from 26.32 cents and goes to this support zone that we have very strong support at 21 cents. Therefore, we can expect that this is our buying zone, and we can buy between these levels from approximately 27 cents to 21 cents. And 21 cents can be used as a stop loss. Now, as per the Fibonacci sequence, the bullish of this bullish shark, we can set our sell targets from 46 cents to 82 cents. However, this is a very big bullish reversal. And after formation of such big bullish reversal patterns, when the price action turns towards the upside, and most of the times it goes even beyond the sell zones or sell targets that I defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish harmonic patterns. So this is the reason I'm expecting that it can go to break out this $1 or 90 cents. This is in fact a 90 cents resistance we have here. So it can move to break out this 90 cents resistance, and it can form the higher than the previous high. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon for more ideas, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.